Hello, everyone. My name is Rodolfo Martinez. I will be the host for this Kubernetes 1.30 meeting. Today is April the 1st, and we are in week 14 of the release cycle. Please be aware that this is a Kubernetes community meeting, which falls under the community's code of conduct, which can be summarized to be excellent to each other. This meeting is recorded and will be publicly posted to YouTube, so please be mindful what you say is being recorded. Let's see the open discussion items. I don't see any new, just the retrospective doc. So please fill some thoughts or suggestion that you want to improve the next cycle in that document, please. Let's continue with the updates, and we will start with enhancements with Mohammad.
Yes. Hello, everyone. I'm Mohammed. There's no changes since last week, so our status is green. We had our 34 tracked enhancements for this release, and that's it. Thank you.
Great. Thanks, Mohammad. Is there any question to enhancement? If not, we can continue with release signal with Sanchita.
Hello everyone. So the current status of release signal is red. There is one failing and one flaky test on the SIG 1.30 blocking board, and the failing test case is GCECOS 1.30 scalability 100, which is failing since Friday. And DIMS has created an issue addressing it, which updates to be the SIG jobs to be clean. And we are having two flaky tests on the SIG release 1.30 informing board. And we have created issues addressing it as well. And we are having one blocker issue. And this issue has been addressed, and the SIG Windows folks are actively working on it. And if the PR is, there is one open PR, and if this PR is getting merged, then the status can be updated to yellow. But there is no update since the weekend, so hopefully it will be resolved soon. And the SIG release signal team will be giving the no go and no go signal for tomorrow's RC1 cut release. That's all from SIG release signal. Thank you.
Thank you, Sanchita. We will be pending on that pull request to be merged. Since tomorrow or probably Wednesday will be the RC cut, so we need to be pending on that. If anything, if there is an update to that pull request, please share in the Slack channel in order to be updated there.
Sure.
Thank you. Is there any question or comment to release signal?
Yeah, just in case we do need to delay the cut of RC1 over that flake, there is a security patch for Golang that is supposed to release at some point during US business hours today, and we were considering the possibility of delaying RC1 by a day or two over that. So if this that DIMS is running right now does not run green, don't panic, because we might have had to move RC1 anyway.
Oh, great. That is a good news. So we will be pending on that. Thanks, Kat. We can continue with the docs team with Olu Bube, please, Princess.
Hi, good evening, everyone, or good day, everyone. So the current status for docs team is green, and all our branch things are currently on track. Aside that, the docs freeze is fully in effect, and we just have one exception. Drew also updated and merged the documents with SIG docs feedback since the original contributor for that particular PR is on leave. We have provided additional feedback so that we can open another PR and then have it merged very soon. Drew also wrote some instructions for shadows and those that are going to be successors on the docs team on how to fork a contributors branch and basically the entire process when it comes to contributing to SIG docs. If anyone needs any help, we're open to helping anyone that needs any help from us. Like I said, our status is green, and that's the updates from the docs team.
Excellent. Thanks, Princess, and thanks, Drew, for updating that documentation. Is there any question to the docs team? If not, we can continue with the release notes team with Rashan.
Hello, everyone. So our status this week is green. Today we started working on the RC0 PR, and we should hopefully have that reviewed sometime this week and pushed within this week as well. That's all. Thank you.
Great. Thanks, Rashan. I will be pending on reviewing that pull request also. Is there
Thank you.
any question to release notes? If not, we can continue with the comms team with Christine.
Hi, our current status is yellow. We have 4 features pending content in the release blog. We may need to pull in help. I just asked the team for some assistance with that. And if we aren't able to cover that, I may need to pull in help. The plan is to remove the release blog out of draft status today. We've already had some initial review from Tim. So at least we're ahead of the game there. I've committed those suggestions, and where we needed clarification, asked for clarification. Feature blogs are continuing to be reviewed. We have the webinar and press for the 1.30 release scheduled. I just owe the 2 to 3 major themes to the organizer of the webinar today. So I will send those out. And that's our status.
Great, excellent news. Is there any question to the comms team?
Yeah, less of a question, more of a comment. You can borrow help from the docs team on getting content for those last 4 features. And you should. That is like thing that the docs team is supposed to help out with if you need it. I personally at this point would be lifting content from the KEPs. The KEPs should have like pretty detailed descriptions of what these enhancements are. So I would be lifting those and asking the docs team for help to make them seem more flowery personally.
Thank you. Sounds good. I know Drew stepped in on one of them, so we may
Okay, cool.
pull him in on another. So thanks.
Yeah, y'all are supposed to collaborate if one of you needs the help, so go for it. Borrow them.
Thank you.
Yeah, so if there's anyone else on the docs team that wants to help with this too, appreciated.
Excellent. Thanks for that help. If there is no other comment, we can continue with release branch management with Mija.
Hi everyone. So 130 test grid board is up, and thanks to Marco for doing it quickly as I messed up with my PR. So yes, and I will start preparing for 130 RC1 cut. And yes, I will ping Jeremy and Marco if I will need some help, as Mark is on vacation. So yes, that's it for me. Thank you.
Thank you, Mija. Is there any question for release branch management team?
Meha, if just keep an eye out for this Golang dependency update. Because Marco suggested that depending on what that CV is, we may want to
Yeah.
delay the RC1 cut.
Okay, sure.
So we'll see when they release it. It might get released while I'm asleep since I am in Europe. But if I'm awake when it happens, I will make a call then and let you know.
Sure, sure. We'll keep in mind. Thank you.
Great. We can continue with our emeritus advisor, Grace. I am not sure if she's on the call. I don't think so. We can continue then with release lead, Kat. I don't know if there is any
Yeah.
update.
Yes, I was like digging for the form, which seems to not actually be quite correct yet. So the CNCF has finally gotten back to me about release team swag. So I am going to send out a like Google Doc or Google poll thing to each of the sub-team leads. If y'all could please make sure that yourselves and your shadows fill it out. That contains information that I will need to get you your release t-shirts and stickers. So you'll have that sometime today.
Great. Excited to have those t-shirts of Kubernetes. Kubernetes.
Kubernetes.
Kubernetes. Yeah, it's
Yeah.
a little bit hard to me to pronounce that. Thank you, Kat.
Thank you.
Is there any comment or question to release lead? If not, we can continue with SIG scalability. I think there is no one and there is no update. So we can continue with the next. Yeah, it's everything for now. Is there any other additional comment before stopping the recording? If not, I will start the recording. Thanks, everyone.